Now, coming up later this month, your State of the County speech, it's been pushed back from April. First of all, why'd you push it back, and what are you going to be talking about?
Well, it's going to be my 10th. It's kind of the 10th anniversary edition. You know, what is that, aluminum, silver, I don't know. But I moved it out because I wanted to capture a lot of things that were happening this year in terms of the 10th year, and moved it out because a lot of things we're going to talk about and I'm going to explain have a factor in the voter making a decision going forward on that. And we talked earlier here in your program about the importance of getting out to vote, knowing what the issues are, understanding what the individuals who are running for election stand for, and where their priorities are, because they're the ones who have to carry the ball for you, the voter, and the taxpayer. So the last 9 years, I did it in April, and basically the only people that heard it were the folks in the room and maybe a few folks that watched on TV. I moved the venue out to Highland because we've really accomplished a lot in the last 10 years. We've been down a lot of roads, and it's important for the public, for our citizens, to really put in perspective what all that means, what all has happened, and then to look to the future to see what do we want to have continue. What do we want our community to look like in another 5 or 10 years? And there's some that have a view one way, and there are others that have a view another, and I want to air that out.